Welcome to the PNC Bank Mobile Banking Guide, a comprehensive tutorial designed to help you navigate the world of online banking with ease. This guide will walk you through the process of accessing and utilizing PNC Bank's mobile banking services, providing you with a convenient and secure way to manage your finances on the go. To get started, you will need to download the PNC mobile banking app from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is installed, you can enroll in mobile banking by following the prompts and providing the required information, such as your account number and password. Once you are enrolled, you can log into the app using your username and password. The home screen will display an overview of your accounts, including your checking and savings accounts, credit cards, and loans. You can also customize the home screen to display the accounts that are most important to you. One of the key features of the PNC mobile banking app is the ability to transfer funds between accounts. To do this, simply select the account you want to transfer from, enter the amount you want to transfer, and select the account you want to transfer to. You can also set up recurring transfers to make it easy to pay bills or save money. You can also use the app to pay bills, both one-time and recurring. Simply select the bill you want to pay, enter the amount, and choose the payment date. The app will also allow you to view and manage your bill pay history, making it easy to keep track of your payments. In addition to these features, the PNC mobile banking app also provides a number of tools and resources to help you manage your finances. You can use the app to view your account statements, check your account balances, and track your spending. You can also use the app to find PNC Bank branches and ATMs, making it easy to access your money when you need it. To ensure the security of your accounts, the PNC mobile banking app uses a number of advanced security features, including encryption and two-factor authentication. You can also use the app to report a lost or stolen card, or to freeze your accounts if you suspect that they have been compromised. In conclusion, the PNC Bank Mobile Banking Guide is designed to provide you with a comprehensive overview of the PNC mobile banking app and its features. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can take advantage of the convenience and security of mobile banking and manage your finances with ease. Whether you are at home, in the office, or on the go, the PNC mobile banking app is the perfect tool for anyone who wants to stay on top of their finances.